Hello, this is Eli. I'm from House Technical Support at SafeNet. In this session, I would like to talk about the Business Studio API. Business Studio API, as a matter of fact, is similar to the Business Studio application, but it allows you to do these things throughout API calls. The DSDLL, Ask Business Studio Server DLL, as a matter of fact, is the reference to be used in order to use the Business Studio API. And so I've created a sample which shows how to use it. We will see some of the things that are within this sample. First thing is that in the reference I would have to add this reference DLL, has Business Studio Server, and in addition to it I have to add system web services in order to allow working with web services. Then I add the Aladdin AskBSS, which is the namespace to be used for the Business Studio API. And finally, what is important is that I copy all the files which resides here, like MSVC80 DLL, MSVCP80, etc. All these files, maybe except for the executable, which is not required, but all these files are needed to be copied from here. This place is the sample of the Business Studio API of our DVD. I copied them into my debug project. Here you can see them. Maybe I will open the folder, and then under bin debug you may see that I have copied all these files. So now we are ready to work with the sample. It's not so important exactly what this sample is doing. I just wanted to have some kind of notes and stones of how we are going to use the API. So first thing what I do is I create over here, I create a new object from the AskBSS, and then this object BSS, I can use it in order to first call the first API function, or method, which is initialize. The initialize is pretty much similar to what we do when we try to use the business application, which means to provide a user password, machine name, and then the port to be used. And after that, what I do is just ask for to get version. What is the version of the BS API? Next thing that I do is to call get key by product key. This means that I would like to provide product key. This is the number of the product key, and I would like to get which is the key that relates to this product key. And then, and this is maybe more important, and then I want to create a new order. In order to create a new order, I use the order and the create an order object. Then I add max activations, number of keys, the type, whether it is an update. For instance, this is an order with the type of update. And then when calling insert order with all these parameters of the order, I'm able to add an order to the Business Studio. Then I'm using get product by name, and I add product to the order because I have an order, but I have to add a product to the order. I also add a key to the order, and then this is the most important one to finish with, is to finalize order. When you finalize order, only then you are ready to create the order itself. If this finalized order is failing, it means that something was wrong. And then finally, in order to create the order, to create the V2C, what I do is produce order by ASP ID. obviously after each of this function I check the status. I just put a note here like whether the BSS status is okay or not. If not, I'm terminating this program. This is for short to have like a small description and some notes about how to work with the Business Studio API. Thank you for watching.